Today we're making Madeleine cookies, and these cookies clocks in at 208 calories per portion, 2 grams of proteins, 17 grams of carbs and 13 grams of fat. And these are very basic. The one thing you will need if you want them to look like real Madeleine cookies is you will need a Madeleine cookie mold. Otherwise we're going to start by putting our oven at 200 degrees. We're going to make 5 of them. Basically I make these for my wife's birthday breakfast, so we're just going to need 5. And we're going to need 50 grams of butter that we're gonna brown, and we're gonna get 20 grams of butter that we're gonna put to the side, and then we're also gonna get 50 grams of flour and 50 grams of sugar. So it's very easy, and if you want to make more cookies than that, you can just change the amount of servings in the spreadsheet and just tell Excel how many cookies you want, and it will do the calculations for you. So all we need to do is brown our butter, which we have got on the stove. We will need 1.5 grams of baking soda, and we're gonna mix our baking soda and our flour. Meanwhile, we're browning our butter. Nothing tricky here. When it starts foaming, you know that you're getting close to done, so keep an eye on it done, and just keep stirring until you get that nice brown color and a nutty smell. And once we have that, we know that we're done. And now it's starting to get brown as well. That means that we're almost done. And here you can see we have a nice lovely brown color. So that means we're just gonna take this off, and we're going to add the rest of our butter. It's going to be a little bit of bubbles and foaming. That's not a problem. Then we're going to pour in our butter to our flour and baking soda mixture. Just mix that together, and once that's done, we will need 1 egg and also the juice from half a lime. So we're gonna start by adding our lime just to cool everything down a bit. It shouldn't be a problem, but it's better to add liquid before we add egg, if in case it's too hot. Then just in with the egg, mix everything together, and that's basically it. Very simple cookie to make, and as I said, if you want them to look like real Madeleine cookies, you will need a Madeleine mold. It's better to use butter if you want them to not to stick, but I'm sticking to my cooking spray here, and so they got a little bit stuck, but it's good enough for me. Just divide your batter into 5 servings, and into the oven they go. And they're gonna be in the oven for roughly 8 to 10 minutes, depending on your oven. And it's not more tricky than that. Very easy to make. You can make this quickly in the morning if you'd like. I hope you try it, and if you do, I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.